So let's call it a ASSN1. So you can give a summary and then do all of the introduction over here. So and then you're going to say just create an assessment over here. So this gives different options. And then so now you can include a question here. So we're going to click on this question that we just created, and then say add assessment question. Oh, so if you hit add assessment question, it creates a new question. So we're going to select this and then say, so you say add from here. So here then we give a different default points is 10. So we wanted this to be 15 points. We do it here. So you can change the number of default questions, and then so do you want to show the hints, the number of questions you would add, and then you can select all of these options over here. And then so we do this, and then now you go back to test 1, and then if you click on this assessment over here, so it's going to show the preview of the question. So we notice that this number here keeps changing each time you generate. So for instance, if I do this, so if I submit, it will generate a new question. So you can set this to kind of, right now I didn't set anything, but you can actually set it. If you have multiple attempts, you can actually have the question reset between attempts. Right. So now we actually have an assessment in here. So let's see how we integrate this into our Canvas system. So you go again, you go to SFU's Canvas. So I've already logged in. So I have created a course called ImathAS test. So this, assume you know how to do it within Canvas. So the next thing we're going to do is go to settings, and we're going to click on apps. So you probably will be in course details. So you're going to click on apps, view app configuration, and then you're going to click add an app. So here I'm going to just split my screen between my ImathAS and Canvas, so it makes it easier. So here what I'm going to do is click on the ImathAS system. I'm going to go course setting. So we're going to go LTI, and then we click on LTI credentials. So from here it gives you all of the instructions that you need. For Canvas, the recommended way is you can actually export and import the course. So we're going to do the manual process for now. So we already did apps, and then we're going to select by URL, and then for customer key, so since we don't have the number here, we'll go back to it. So it says for the URL, enter this number over here, config URL, and then we have the name. So we're going to call this I. So the next thing is we need to fill in the customer key and shared secret. So this changes from one course to the other, so we have to go back to our course. So then we decide only allow students through the LMS, allow students direct login. So we're going to keep everything neat and then just have the students just log in from Canvas. So I'm going to select the first option over here. Make sure we don't have any extra spaces. So the secret is coming from here. So you can actually change this value. Allow LMS, maybe allow it, and then say submit. You can actually change this password and then set a new password, and then we say submit. So if you scroll down, if you did everything correctly, so you should notice whatever name that you created, there's going to be one assessment over here which is called ImathAS. So here, so within the assignment in Canvas, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add assignment. So we can give it any points that we want. So it's better to match the points that we have here, but let's do this first. So we click down and then select external tool, and then we click on find, and then we're going to scroll down to ImathAS,